In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using hatch. When your shape isn't a perfect rectangle or circle, the quickest reliable way to get its area is to let a hatch define the exact boundary and then read the result from properties. To make this work, first make sure the shape is a completely closed boundary with no gaps. A closed boundary is a continuous loop. Every line, arc, or polyline edge must meet its neighbor end to end. Take a moment to look closely along the perimeter. Pan and zoom around corners and intersections to verify endpoints meet. Even a tiny opening or overlap can prevent AutoCAD from recognizing the boundary and will stop the hatch from forming correctly. If your outline includes holes or cutouts, that's fine, just ensure those internal edges are closed as well. Now activate the hatch command. In the command line, type hatch or simply H and press enter. Your cursor becomes a pick tool. Click once inside the irregular shape to apply a hatch. Any pattern is fine here. The pattern style and scale do not affect the area calculation. What matters is that AutoCAD detects a single clean enclosed region. If the hatch fails to appear or spills into adjacent spaces, that usually means here is a gap somewhere in the boundary. Fix the outline, then try the pick again. When you see the hatch filling only your intended shape, press enter to confirm. If there are interior voids, AutoCAD will typically detect them automatically. The hatched region will avoid those islands, and the final area will reflect them. Next, select the hatch you just created by clicking on it. You should see grips appear, indicating it's selected. With the hatch selected, open the Properties palette. You can type Properties in the command line or press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. The palette will show information about the selected object. In the Properties palette, scroll to the section labeled Geometry. Look for the field called Area. The number shown there is the exact area of your irregular shape, calculated from the hatch boundary. The units follow your drawing's current units. So if you are working in millimeters, the area will be in square millimeters. If you are in feet, it will be in square feet. Read or note that value as your result. This method is non-destructive and highly dependable. Even on complex outlines, that's all to it. Thanks for watching.